Hello. Today you're having Amy Lee read The Bear Snores On. One of the best books ever. Karma Wilson, Jane Chapman. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in a deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Though the cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitty-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave through the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, and the bear snores on. A gopher and the mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," says Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. And they tweet and they twitter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles and he jumps and he stomps. Bear growls, bear grumbles. "You slunk in my lair, evil and fun. But me, I was sleeping alive, had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We could pop more corn. We could brew more tea." You're doing it. That's nice. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up in the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The bear snores on.